going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today gonna be doing a Bronco video. Just went ahead and pulled the new delivery into the garage. Actually just had the new front bumper delivered that we're going to be installing on the Bronco. It's SVC bumper. I'm sure you already know that by the title of the video, but how about we go ahead, go open it up, check it out, and we'll get to the full installation process. Pretty massive box over here. This is exactly how it comes shipped. This requires a freight delivery, so it's pretty expensive. I do believe like shipping was $150 from California to Florida, and it does come on a big old pallet, and we're gonna go ahead and get it open now. All right, so we went ahead and got it open, and as you can see, this is an absolute massive box for the size of the bumper. You can see it's more or less only taking up half the room in there, but hey, whatever, at least it's packaged up nicely, you know, very well protected during shipping. So obviously you can see that's the main bumper right here. Over here, this was the optional light hoop that we went ahead and optioned for as well. Then over here, we'll go ahead and open this as well, but I'm assuming this is probably going to be the hardware as well as the bracket for the adaptive cruise control. So I'm going to put you down again, and let's go ahead, pull the bumper out, and unwrap it and have a look at it. All right, guys, so we went super fancy over here pulling out the Persian rug and everything, but just want to go ahead, got everything unwrapped here, so wanted to just give you guys a quick look at everything. It's cool. You saw me there. They just kind of had the skid plate zip tied to the actual tube construction here, so if you wanted to go ahead and get that powder coated, you could just go ahead and send that off. I think it looks great in black, but as you can see right here, full tubular design of the bumper, very pre-runner Baja style bumper here. So you can see here, you got the mounting points for the sensors, parking sensors. So that is a optional upgrade right there for those. This whole area in here is exposed, so I guess you could go ahead and run like a light bar in here if you wanted to, since you do relocate the adaptive cruise control. So this part here and this part, those two are what comes standard. The light bar hoop, which is right here, which sits up on top, it has up to 7 locations right here where you can mount I guess any sort of a pod light. So again, you can mount 7 of those. That is a option. I think it's like $150, and then it's also $150 to add the parking sensors as well as what was in this box that I had mentioned earlier was the adaptive cruise control brackets for you to relocate up into the front grille. And then inside here we have all the installation hardware as well as the caps to close off the bumpers. So yeah, pretty sweet. It's really not all too heavy. I'm not that big of a guy, and you saw me pull it out of the box by myself, but if you need help, don't throw your back out, get someone else to help you. I'm definitely gonna have someone just give me a hand when I am installing this on the actual Bronco, just so everything lines up. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you in this video. This one's gonna be super short. I am going to be doing the install video this coming weekend, so stay tuned for that. But for now, just wanted to go ahead and show you exactly how the SVC bumper for the 6th Gen Bronco comes shipped. So there you go, guys. Stay tuned. Install video coming in the next few days. See you then.